Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the class of CE 204 Construction Technology. Today we are going to discuss some previous year questions from Module 1. These are 10 questions which have been asked for the previous year university examinations. From first module, we are going to discuss one by one. First is explain the properties of glass and its uses in construction industry. Let's move on. First of all, we need to explain in a single line what is glass. Moving on to the properties, as we know, a hardness, electric insulator, resistance to chemicals, its properties can be changed. Then uses insulation, panels, wall fittings, enclosures, furnitures, etc. You need to write this in separate sentences to gain maximum mark. This question was asked for 5 marks. The second question is what is steel and its uses in construction industry? So you need to write in a single line what do you mean by steel and its uses in building works, that is manufacture of trusses, beams, girders, sanitary and sewer fittings, corrugated sheets, steel pipes, tanks, etc. You need to write each in a separate sentence. To gain maximum marks, this way asked for 5 marks. Moving on to the third question, that is, what are the different market forms of steel? The answer is angle section, channel section, I section, T section, flat section, round section, and its uses. This was asked for 10 marks, so you need to draw the diagrams also. Moving on to the fourth question, what are the properties and uses of aluminium? First module mainly deals with the building materials. So, what are the properties and uses of aluminium? First of all, you should write what aluminium is. Then moving on to its properties: silver color, bright luster, conductor of electricity, good resistance to corrosion, ductile, malleable. Then its uses: it is used in doors and window frames, roofing, partitioning, pigment in cement, manufacture of rolled angle sections, etc. This is the answer. It is asked for 5 marks. Moving on to the fifth question. What are the various types of reinforcing steel and explain its properties? So, steel in reinforcement, the steel used in reinforcement may be of rods, bars, wires, mesh, or round bars. Usually the diameter varies from 5 to 40 mm. You need to draw the diagrams also to get the maximum marks. It was asked for 7 marks. Next is explain the different types of materials mortar used in construction. First of all, you should write what is mortar and the different types: lime, cement, gauge, gypsum, mortar, and the special mortar categories. This will give you 7 marks. That is all about the sixth question. Moving on to the seventh question. The seventh question is what is meant by plywood and how it is manufactured? You may not be able to see it clearly, so you need to listen to the class. First of all, you should write what a plywood is and its manufacture, like two thin laminated sheets are being glued. What is face ply, front face, back face, and the crossbands. You need to explain each of these terms. Moving on to the eighth question, what is plastic and distinguish between thermoplastic and thermosetting? These are the two types of plastic. So first of all, you should write what plastic is, followed by the definition of thermosetting and thermoplastic types along with the example. The example is very important. In a theory paper, examples and diagrams are very important. So you should write it in detail. Moving on to the ninth question, explain the properties of masonry material. Masonry is the first topic in CT and its properties are water absorption, initial rate of absorption, compressive strength, specific gravity, porosity, appearance. You learned the explanation of each, so you need to write that too. List the requirements of good mortar. That is the 10th question. The requirements include workability, adequate strength, adhesion, resistance to water penetration, capable of developing design strength. So these are the 10 questions and the important points that need to be included as discussed here. You should follow this thoroughly, and this way of answering will yield you maximum marks. Since it is a theory subject, you need to revise it very well. Thank you for listening to the class. I am Chaitra.